What is up, you guys? MasterCars Review here, and today we're taking a look at the brand new 2020 BMW 1 Series. Alright guys, so just to put this video into context, I've added a new style of videos for the channel in which I'll be reviewing the cars you guys choose, either through YouTube comments or by Instagram DMs. Now these are going to be straight to the point, all you need to know style of videos, which I'll try to keep under 5 minutes, and we'll be discussing a few stuff that really matter to you guys, and starting with the prices and trim levels, which you guys love, interior and exterior details, engine options, and finally safety and reliability. Now if you have any car in mind, just make sure to comment in the comment section below or just send me an Instagram DM and I'm really happy to answer you guys. BMW is offering 5 trim levels for the 118i with a starting price of $31,200 from Germany, and note that the 1 Series isn't sold in North America. In Lebanon, the Sport line started off at 44 grand and goes up to 51 grand for our M Sport variant. Expect the hardcore M135i to be around 80,000. Alright, so on the inside of the 1 Series, it gets the new treatment of this G generation. It has a lot of nice displays, high quality materials everywhere. The new arrangement for the center console over here, which is really cool. And one really cool feature of the 1 Series is this ambient lighting that you get all around in the cabin. It's actually really good. I'm gonna try to see if my camera picks it up. And those seats, beautiful M Sport seats. Now, we have the base car, which I'm gonna be jumping into next. We have the standard sport line seats with the nice orange accents. I quite like that. So let's go ahead and show you briefly what's up in the interior and then go ahead and check out the back seat. In the new 1 Series, BMW has included plenty of goodies for the entry-level model to step up its game against rivals. BMW Live Cockpit Plus is standard with 2 easy-to-use screens, and the whole dash is finished in solid materials. I also love BMW's new elegant steering wheel. You pay extra for the gorgeous ambient lighting that's seamlessly integrated in the trim, and around $3,400 for the big displays as part of BMW's Live Cockpit Professional. Also optional is the dual-zone climate control, gesture control, and park assist. There's also a wide range of interior customizations, especially for the seats, that can go from cloth to Dakota leather to Alcantara in the M135i. I personally prefer the look of the cloth-based seats in the less expensive Sport line. Alright, so key features to note in the new 1 Series is that first of all, you get as standard a semi-digital display. We have a 5.7-inch display here. These are analog dials and they're backlit. And would you listen to that? And you can update it to the 10.2-inch display that you get here. And on the right, here we have an 8.8-inch display, which actually is really good. It's the base look for the screen. You do not get navigation, for example, on this, but it's actually really good. I really like the way it's done, and it's very slim and really nice to have. With a wheelbase of 2.67 meters and a height of 1.43 meters, interior space is decent for tall people. I'm 185 centimeters and I sit very comfortably in the back, especially thanks to smooth cutouts in the seats. It does feel slightly narrow, making it hard for 3 me's to fit nicely, though kids will be fine in the middle seat. In-cabin storage is fair, with useful cubbies here and there. You also benefit from a 380-liter boot space that matches the new Golf 8's boot. There are 2 petrol and 3 diesel engine options, paired either with a 6-speed manual, 7-speed auto, or 8-speed auto on the all-wheel drive M135i. The 118i we have today is the only variant in Lebanon for now, with its 1.5-liter turbo 3-cylinder from Mini that puts out 140 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque. It's said to be a very efficient setup at around 44 miles per gallon. It's good to note that BMW has developed its most powerful 2-liter turbo 4 engine for the M135i xDrive, kicking out 302 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. The new 1 Series scored 5 stars in the Euro NCAP crash tests, offering a safe ride for all occupants. Read the full report through the link in the description. This F40 1 Series is the first one to get a front-wheel drive setup, so many reliability issues on the previous gen were fixed with this change. However, the most common issues for this 1.5-liter Turbo 3 is that crankshaft bearings may wear over time. This also goes for mini cars with this same engine. As all new BMWs lately, the kidney grille takes time to get used to, and it looks much better in person, especially with the aluminum bars in the M Sport variant. I personally recommend you go for the adaptive LEDs on the front and LED taillights, as the upgrade changes the whole impression of the 1 Series. Alright guys, so that's it for the new 1 Series. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to comment in the comment section below what cars would you like to see next. And also on the website there's gonna be the pictures of the new 1 Series. Until then, take care everybody. See you soon.